Good morning from Caribbean Beach Club. We are leaving today, so we're headed over to Hollywood Studios now. So we're just gonna go fill our mugs and get some coffee and some water for the day. So let's come along. But yeah, there's beautiful, beautiful resort. We ran into a little bit of some thunderstorms here last night, but beautiful resort. We'll definitely come back here again. Definitely really nice. And Lucia totally enjoyed the pool yesterday, so she was looking forward to that. That was the first thing she woke up and said she wanted to go to the pool. But we must move onward, so we're going to pop after this today. We are doing a 4 hotel split stay if you're just joining us. Friends, you want to go to People Mover? We're gonna go to the Skyliner today. Yeah. Anyway, totally beautiful resort. We had a water pool view last night, which technically was we had the water view room and the view of the Riviera, which was beautiful. Let me show you that. And it's the Riviera, which will actually be on tomorrow. So we'll be totally on the Skyliner this trip. Awesome view of the Skyliner. And yeah, we're headed over to go get our resort mug filled with coffee and get some ice and ice cold water for our park day today. Let's go. In here. So this is their little gift store. You could get beer, waters, Coke, Powerade. We're gonna try to avoid this section, but yeah, we have a lot of like candy and mugs, chips for if you get hungry. Actually, it's funny because I don't remember seeing ever like big things of chips like this at some of the value resorts, so that might be a difference. Of course, you've got like any kind of like first aid that you might forget, diapers, baby products over here. We got sunscreen. We do have swimsuits in case you happen to forget yours. I'm trying to avoid this section because my daughter loves the lollipops. And we have autograph books. So much fun, right? We have Disney pins and magic bands are sold here. You want to now this? What? The ears? I'm getting her ears. So they have, I want to try to get my daughter started on the pin trading. We have not done that yet, so I gotta try to figure that out for this. Oh boy. Okay. I don't know if I got like a great video of this area of the pool, but yeah, there were slides that she was thoroughly enjoying yesterday. A lot of seating. This was a really big resort. Even I feel like the layout was just much bigger. It really made you feel like you're in the Caribbean, like at a resort down there. And this was the beach bar right here. You can get all your alcoholic drinks. They are on about like $19 after tax, and then you gotta add a tip. So yeah, definitely expensive. So if you do like a grocery order, it'd be great. It will save a lot of money, especially if you're a drinker. Alright, so this is the Jamaica and Trinidad section, and it looks like this is going to be the section that is closest to the hub for the skyliner. However, just so you know, so we were in Martinique and also Aruba. It's very close to the Riviera. So even though, like, even if you get booked over there, not to fret, because you can easily walk over to their skyliner and use it. So no worries. You don't have to worry about requesting Jamaica or Trinidad section if that's your concern, because we actually had a really beautiful view of the Riviera and the water last night. So yeah, definitely cool. So I think we need to go this way. Today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a like. It really does help support the channel, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.